Want to make sales without ads or a big audience? Publish books around seasonal trends like Valentine's, Christmas, or even back to school. These spikes happen every year and KDP sellers are cashing in. Go to Amazon and type in things like Valentine's activity book, Christmas coloring book, or back to school planner. You will see tons of results, and many have hundreds or even thousands of reviews. That's real, repeatable demand. These aren't just random books, they are tied to seasonal buying habits. The best part? You're not guessing. These holidays and events happen every single year. People actively search for theme books for gifts, kids, teachers, or personal use. And if your book is up early, it can ride that wave every season. You can design these books manually with tools like Canva or Google Docs, but that takes time, especially if you're making 20 to 50 pages per book. BookBolt helps speed this up. It can find seasonal keywords and trends with their research tools, use the studio to design theme interiors and covers quickly, and publish in time to catch those seasonal spikes. Seasonal books are one of the easiest ways to build momentum on KDP, even as a beginner. And if you want to skip the guesswork and save hours, check out BookBolt through the link down below.